Now I will move to the second part of it, of the image editing. Please check out this video as well. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to believe, like, oh, crazy, that is too good. So the second step, like in the image generation, if you have generated the image, right, you can always, wait, let me just copy paste the prompt here. Okay, now since we have selected the image model, you can also select the style. But for Imagine Ultra, we have different styles, right, which you can just select from it. The painting style, let's go with the painting style, and let's say what kind of effect we want. Soft view, aerial shot, I want aerial shot. And again, you can also always add the character. This is my character, this is the character that I made for some commercial purpose. This is the character of Bhagat Singh. He was a freedom fighter. If you don't know, we created his video around 9 months back, and yeah, you can definitely check out that. It's 9 months back, but we have trained the character in it. Let me just show you how we can train the characters. You can just go here, select the gender of it, and you can just train your character here. You have to put at least like 20 photo of your character from the different angle, and it will give you almost accurate as it is. But again, I will not suggest you to waste your time training the character unless you want very precise characteristics. But I think you can get the constant character with Nano Banana Pro right now. And then object, right? Like, do you have any object in your scene? You can definitely add that too. I want some funny object, that will not go with the scene. But yeah, let's add the red heel. Yeah, it will just turn to the flux one model because you cannot add the character with a different image generative model, but that is fine. And yeah, this is very interesting. Like, you can choose the color theory, right, color palette that you want. And the first one we made was little yellowish, right? Let's go totally opposite this time. Let's go with this one. I mean, this is like very different from what we have generated, and let's wait for it. Okay, this one, like, as my sister, like, this is a very good exercise, by the way. If you guys are starting out, this is like very good exercise for all of you, which is recreate the particular ad or particular scene from the original sequence, right, with AI. Right? From the image generation to video generation to video editing, you can do it everything. And yeah, that way you will get to learn how to do the image generation, video generation, even the video editing, even the music generation. And this is not the way to encourage you to copy things, but this is the best exercise to learn faster. Once you like try to replicate the one of the good ad or the good scene in it, then your next step is to create something of your own. Let's check this. Okay, this doesn't look like a sun, to be honest, because Flux one image generator is not that great. It's look like more desert than sun. Yeah, let's just move back to Image Ultra. We don't get to add object in it, but that is totally fine. We'll regenerate the image in it. While this image is getting generated, I want to show you what other things you can do with the image generation. Let's go with this one. Once you open this image, like, you will get multiple options. You can upscale the image, you can recreate the image, you can convert into video, you can add to the particular folder of it, and you can edit it. First, let's go with the simple one, upscaling. Okay, here upscaling you have like two options. One is magnific, creative, and precise. So what is the difference in these two, right? It will usually add some more details, it will change some stuff while upscaling the image. But what precise do is, precise will never change your image. It will just add more pixelation in it, so that you will get the same image but with the high quality. Okay, got it. The creative upscale and precise upscale. And in creative upscale, you have multiple options here. Do you want subtle upscale, vivid upscale, wide upscale? And yeah, maybe it will add more color, more brightness in it, and wild. I don't know. Like, it's a wide actually. What I usually do for this kind of images, if you have like landscape and portrait kind of thing, that you can choose either nature and landscape or film or photography. If you have person in it, then you should definitely go with portrait soft and portrait hard. You don't need to change much of it. You don't need the prompt here. And then we can just use the upscaler, like it's asking to 270 credits. I just let me just spend that for you guys. So you can see the difference between them. Okay. This is very interesting. The color that we choose, the style that we choose, the oil painting, that's why we get this one. The color palette was this one, right? So difficult time to understand how will look in that color. So that's why we got this one. Like, it's a very bad choice from my end to choosing this color palette. But yeah, you get the idea. With this color palette, it will only use this color. And I think this is not the best example for it. For this kind of color palette, I will usually go for a portrait shot, right? Let me change this to Imagine Ultra. Okay, this is the upscale version of it, and we can compare it from here. This was before, this is after, this was before, this is after. You can see the difference, right? Let me just show me. This is before, this is after. It has added more detail, right? Even in the background. Now you know how to do the basic prompting. You know how to generate image. You know how to do the upscaling. Now move to the next part, which is image editing. In the image editing, you have this 5 to 6 options. First one is edit. Second one is retouch. Third one is resize. Then restyle. Then background removing, then upscaling, then adjusting. I will go through them one by one. The first one is edit. When you go to the edit, you can just do the prompting and just ask them to change the things, just like in Nano Banana and all. But in the edit section, you can do that. You can change the model here. We have say Dance 4, we have Nano Banana Pro, we have Flux Context. The Flux Context is old one. I would prefer you guys to use Nano Banana Pro because it's too good. And we have the option here, guys. The 1K, 2K and 4K. Too good, guys. Crazy. Let's go with the 4K, which was camera. Okay. So you can even change the camera angles from here as well. That is so good. Let's rotate here 90 degree. And vertically, I think we will go little up, right? And let's generate this one. It will take some time. It's a worth waiting for it. I was talking about Freepik, right? So Freepik, the other subscription models are usually will give you around 8,000 to 5,000 rupees, but not everyone have like unlimited feature in it, which Freepik have. And there are some other tools that we will talk about later, like Higgsville, Imagine Art, Runway, and InVideo, Morphic. There are some other tools as well. We will talk about them one by one also. But yeah, let's focus on Freepik now. It will take some time to generate. Nah, it didn't give us anything. Okay. Let's forget about the 4K version. 4K will take usually a lot of time. I don't think we have the camera angles option in like Nano Banana. I think there is some glitch, And we can ask to change the things here just the way we do in the image editing tools. We can do the visual editing, like you can just point it out, like change car color to blue, and we can definitely choose Nano Banana Pro, and now it will change the car color. Hopefully it should. It usually takes some time because I have exhausted my unlimited the fast mode image generator. Then it will, yeah, another important point, like you guys will get first 1,000 images in fast mode, and after that it will go to the relaxed mode for unlimited version, just like Mid Journey. If you guys have used, it will usually take some more time. Sometimes it's take a lot of time to generate one image. That is the thing right now, but it wasn't like this before, guys. Even like 1 month back, we get like unlimited images. We used to create like 8 images at one time, and maybe that is the cause that they have set the limitation of it. Now guys, look here, instead of red we have blue car. Now we are saving this one, and like the editing feature. Now let's move to the retouch feature, where you can just select and ask to change the stuff. For example, we can use brush tool, lasso tool, and click tool. I'm gonna use the lasso tool, and I don't want this smoke, so I will ask it to remove smoke. And I'm using, you have like 3 options. This is Pro, Classic, and Queen. Queen is good image editing tool so far, so we're gonna use that. Like with retouch tool, you can select a particular section and you can ask to change that part of it or remove that part of it to get what you want. I'm not sure if we will get a hard shadow on sun. That is so stupid, but yeah. And let's move ahead, because I want to teach you guys like how to use Freepik. And then there is a resize tool, where you can just like resize it if you want to extend the image from here. But yeah, I like more in this space, right? So I will try to extend it from here. It will usually drop like lots of quality, but yeah, it's okay. Like it's for the educational purpose only. Then we will generate it. It will ask you to resize image. It's giving us 3 options. Yeah, but you get the unlimited videos for sure. This one is too good, right? We get like a more wide look of the sun, and the car is also visible. This is like very good frame. And then next we have the restyle feature, where you can just change the style of it. I don't want to change the style, so I'm not gonna do anything. Then you can remove the background. Again, I don't want to change this, but yeah, you can just click on the remove the background, and it will just keep your main object. Like here we have main object is car. It will only click that and remove the background from it, and you can replace the background, like from sun to or anything else. But yeah, I really like this trend. I'm not going to change anything. You can even change the color and adjust it. Okay, and then upscale, I have already told you. And then there's this adjust mode, like when you can adjust the color rate, like something like that. But I will not suggest you to do it here. Do it in Photoshop and other image editing tool. It's good for quick fix, but not in a professional way. But yeah, if you are starting out, you can definitely check this out. This is all about the image generation in Freepik. Next, I will teach you guys how to use the video model and video prompters, and there are some interesting prompters out there which you guys can definitely use. So yeah, maybe next time. See you guys. If you need like any specific tutorial about any particular tool, or do you have any questions, do let me know. Happy to help you guys.